Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. Pretty quick video for you here today. This is a battery removal for a Chevy Uplander. Now this is the same process for battery removal on 05 to 09 Chevy Uplanders, Buick Terrazas, Pontiac Montana SV6, and the Saturn Relay. We're gonna make this really nice and quick. First thing, all the tools you need. Flashlight was nice to locate one of the bolts. We'll get into that in a minute. I used a 1/4" drive with an extension with a 10 mil, and then a 3/8 drive, 2 extensions, both wobble with a 13. That's all you need for this whole thing. Okay, this crossbody brace is bolted here. Undo those two 13mm bolts, put them up top on your cowl. Then come back here, right in there, you can see another bolt. That's another 13mm. Loosen that enough, several turns, so that you can lift this bar up from its original location and set it right on the engine cover. It'll be fine there for the little bit of time it's there. You're going to take your 3/8 with your double wobble. If you have it, you can probably do it with a single one, and your 13mm, and you go behind the battery, and it's still in there. You're gonna be unbolting a longer bolt all the way out from this bolt hole behind the battery. That is your battery retainer rubber, and that holds the battery in with a little lip. You take this bolt out. Next thing, pop your positive off, your negative. There's no cover for it. There's a 10mm on each of them. 10mm right there, 10mm right there. Loosen them, wiggle these off, and you do not need to remove anything else. The fuse box does not need to come off. The engine cover does not need to come off. You just lift this wiring harness out of the way a little bit, and you'll be able to get the battery out here, and then same thing in reverse, put the new one in at this angle, going through here with you moving that out of the way. Anyways, if you have any questions, let me know. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Talk to you guys later. Have a good day.